today I'll be telling you how to ollie. Safety, yeah. With the shoes, if you like a grip tape, suggest you just don't ollie because you're gonna get marks all along here. And if you like your shoes, I would also change them. First thing you do is keep your foot behind the bolts, and keep your foot about another foot away from the bottom, from the top bolts. So about there. When you do it, the harder you push on the back, the higher you're gonna go. So you also slide your foot from like there up. So you obviously ollie. The higher you go, the more accuracy with all your tricks you're gonna have. I'll see if I can do it up the driveway. Not that good, but I'll try it again. It's alright, but I landed on there. Shut up, stupid board. Also, safety first, so always wear the helmet. I'd love you guys to send in comments so I could just tell me what else I can do. If I can do it, I'll post it up. If I can't, I'll still try it. Still have a rip. Yeah. That's about. Yeah. So always safety first. Try it on the grass if you don't want, or try it on the carpet. But if you don't want, if parents say no, just try the grass. That's about all. Yeah.